Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your social accounts to your Facebook profile. To do that, go ahead and click your profile on the upper left, then click on the About tab here on your Facebook profile. Scroll down and you'll find Contact and Basic Info. Click on that and you'll have website and social links. So all you have to do is simply click and add social link. Enter, for example, YouTube channel or something, switch to YouTube, for example. And if you'd like to add more, you click add the social link and continue to add and to select. Now, let's say you have one account that you actually add and you click and save. Now, what's going to happen when you go back, you will not see the add a social link button. You'll have to click on the edit button right here towards the right, and then you'll have that add social link. And so you can continue to add whatever you want. So let's say you want to add your TikTok, you can add it under your TikTok username and then click and save. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can add your social accounts to your Facebook profile.